Alrighty, folks. I love having Velocity Mortgage, specifically Mr. Stephen Dow on the channel, because they have helped me with multiple loans. Stephen also has done a lot of help educating the audience. But Velocity Mortgage today just came out with a new twist, a new feature on the Fast 50. But before we get into it, and trust me, you want to be here, little tease, foreclosure, bailout, more on that in a minute. Yes. Stephen, do that little marketing spiel so we don't get in trouble.
Thank you, sir. Again, although I work very, very happily for Velocity Mortgage Capital, all the ideas and topics discussed on this channel that are my own. So let's get it going.
Yeah, so let's really talk about this in detail. Let's pretend yesterday the foreclosure bailout didn't exist, and then we'll talk about it existing. So under the old rules of the Fast 50, there were only a couple of things that were non-starters. Right. And as I recall, one of those being you're in foreclosure. Do I remember that correctly?
Correct. If you're currently in any kind of foreclosure situation, notice of sale, notice of default, I was not able to assist at that time. If you were, behind 30, 60, 90 days, you would have to kind of get that current and caught up before we would be able to proceed with the Fast 50. But now that's not the case. Now we can do literally foreclosure bailout. You're, notice of sale, you got like 2 weeks to go. If we get the appraisal done within those 2 weeks, I can bail you out. Maximum 50% LTV. You can have really low credit or even no credit score.
Right.
And the rate is like sub 9.5%, 30-year fix on a refi. With like
that's nuts.
I know, foreclosure bailout. So if you got enough equity, you might be able to buy the rate down low enough to where it's going to be very, very comfortable as well. So we're trying to get the word out early because, certain areas, some of the values are starting to diminish a little bit. So you lose some of that equity position. So we can get in early and we can still assist people to kind of stabilize their situation, get into something more, better in the sense of instead of a bridge loan where they were forced to take it. It's a 12-month interest-only loan. They're rolling the dice again in 12 months. So 30-year fixed loan. Yeah, no ratio.
Yeah, this foreclosure bailout's a genius move. It just shows that Velocity is always thinking. I've said it before. You're a make sense lender.
Right.
You do what you do it well. You're not for everybody. You're not for every situation. But let's be honest. The Fast 50 works because you're in for 50% of the equity, right? You get an appraisal, you get all that. So this makes perfect sense that you would, now do this foreclosure bailout because life happens, shit happens.
Yep.
And sometimes you get behind, sometimes you get sick, sometimes it's a job transfer, divorce, whatever it is, and you don't want to move, right? Because the only other option if you can't do this Fast 50 is to sell it at a discount. Sell it for cash. Sell it to one of those greedy wholesalers who are going to, make you leave. But now, again, it's not for everybody in every situation. But there's going to be dozens, if not hundreds, of people that what this Fast 50 is going to help me. I'll stop the NOD. I'll stop the auction.
Right.
And I can breathe. I can take a breath. This is going to be interesting.
Exactly. So I mean, like you said, things happen in life. Not always good things happen to good people. It's just, how things go every now and then. But at least I think with this particular product, we're not kicking people while they're down. Right. Usually in this type of situation, the only loans that you're, able to get are hard money, private money, but the terms aren't as good. And you're paying multiple points.
Multiple points, double digits, 12, it's maybe 6 months.
Right. So I can get them basically about 9.5%, 30-year fixed with a 10-year interest only option with zero credit. So yeah.
So here's a question. So, could let's say you're a buyer, you're trying to buy a foreclosed property.
Mm-hmm.
That always worked for the Fast 50 or no?
Well, the Fast 50 is mainly for the actual buyer and not so much the property situation as far as, So for the borrower who's going through credit challenges and things of that nature, I think that's where it would come into play.
But it's not the seller, it's the borrower. Yeah.
Correct. For the buyer, I mean, he's just buying distressed property, so it's not really, much of an advantage there. But yeah, the Fast 50, mainly for somebody, temporary life event, you know what I mean? Divorce or job loss a lot of times nowadays. And so, you're, what do you call it?
It's a short-term pain. You got a short-term hiccup in life.
Correct. And again, it's just to kind of help them stabilize the situation and not kind of like take them out of the fire and put them in the firing pan in a sense, right? Because we're we're putting them down to a 30-year fix where you have an option of 10 years of interest only for the first 10 years to kind of get back on your feet. But the rate is stable and it's 30 years. You don't have to kind of roll the dice in another 12 months.
Yeah, I really like this because, people in that situation, are already under a tremendous amount of stress.
Yep.
They probably have other life stuff going on. And this is like the next thing that's just breaking the back.
Right.
And by doing 30-year fixed, you kind of remove future pain.
Right.
You're not getting that, high, hard money, private money. You're also not, the thing that gets me is a lot of people in that situation, they think their only option is to sell.
Right.
And if you're going to sell in that situation, you're probably going to sell to a wholesaler. You're probably going to sell for 20 or 25% discount. You're going to give away all of your equity.
Right.
And, again, for some of you, maybe that's the right answer. You just want a fresh start, clean start. But for some of you, you want to keep your kids in school. You want to do this, you want to do that. And, finding a lender, that will do the fast 50 while you're in foreclosure, thus the foreclosure bailout,
right,
is, maybe the right answer for some.
I would agree because, again, I mean, there's a slight uptick in foreclosures. Obviously, I think more so in the FHA market and commercial side. But I think we're starting to see some pain because, again, certain borrowers are going through life events as well. Like we were just saying, job loss, divorce, unforeseen death in the family. A lot of times, husband and passed away. He's the breadmaker or breadwinner, takes on all the debt. Wife hasn't worked for the last 2 decades being a housewife. So we've gotten to the situation, really helped out the surviving spouse and put him something very stable. They were able to buy down the rate, super comfortable, gave him 10 years of interest only. So, and on top of that, the loan doesn't report to the credit bureaus, so it doesn't continue to drag down your scores. So it's I think a good alternative to kind of get somebody a stable footing to get themselves out of that quicksand or get them out of that hole. You know what I mean? So it's a start in the right direction, I think. But the fact that it's stable with 30 years and not a lot of paperwork and the fact that it's a foreclosure bailout, we're not going to try to kick you while you're down and put you into something double digits. And, I think it's a good alternative. But also I want to tease a little bit as well. We're going to be expanding on that product. I just can't give you all the information just yet. But when I do come out with it, I think the audience is going to be very, very intrigued. It's, again, not going to be for everybody, but I think for a good, demographic, I think it's going to be a really good tool.
Very cool. Well, if somebody wanted to reach out to you and talk specifics about their situation, again, foreclosures aren't fun. So foreclosure notices aren't fun. But if somebody wanted to reach out and say, hey, can you help me? What do they do?
Email right there below, sdout@velocitymortgage.com. In the subject line, please put the acronym ORAAT so I can find you better in my tsunami of loan or emails I should get every now and then. And then address would be super helpful, at least city and state, to make sure I lend there. Your FICO score, best phone number to reach you at, and typically 48 to 72 hours, I'll be in touch.
All right, folks, give them a shot. Done multiple loans with Velocity. They come through. Can get them done quick, too. That's another thing. Again, they're not conventional lenders. It can take months. A couple of, 10, 14 days can be done in the right situations with the right borrower. Again, sdow@velocitymortgage.com. Thank you so much.